Hello friends, I'm Sneha and today we are going to have a look at my science project and the title is Dissection of Hibiscus Flower. This is the model of the hibiscus flower. This is how the hibiscus flower looks like. Here are some notes. Hibiscus flowers bloom in vivid colors, dazzling gardens. They are cherished for their beauty and symbolism. Now let us see what are the parts of hibiscus flower. These are the petals. Hibiscus flowers generally have large petals. These petals are often broad, oval, or heart-shaped. The next part of hibiscus flower is the stamens. Stamens are called the male reproductive part of the hibiscus flower, and they consist of a slender stalk called the filament topped with anther. In the anther, pollen grains is produced. Our next part of the hibiscus flower is the apicalyx. It is situated outside the main calyx and it consists of small leaf-like structures. Our next part is the pedicel. It connects the single flower to the main stem or branch of the plant. The next part is the calyx. They are also leaf-like structures but are wider and taller than the apicalyx. This part of the hibiscus flower is called the pistil. It is the female reproductive part of the hibiscus flower. This is the tube-like thing inside which we can find the pistil of the hibiscus flower. The pistil of hibiscus flower is located at the center of the flower and consists of three main parts: the stigma, the style, and the ovary. The stigma is the sticky knob at the top which receives pollen, and the style is the very thin tube that connects the stigma to the ovary, and inside the ovary we can find ovules that when fertilized can turn into seeds. Hibiscus flowers is renowned for its large, showy blooms with vibrant colors, typically red, pink, yellow, white, or orange. Its distinct trumpet-like shape, prominent stamens, and serrated petals give it an exotic and elegant appearance. These flowers are often used ornamentally and hold cultural significance in various parts of the world. The flower often has a prominent central stamen, which is the pollen reproducing organ. Its colors are vivid and eye-catching, making it a visually striking addition to gardens or landscapes.